Hello everyone, and welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of x from this equation. We are given that x over root of 20 minus x is equal to 1. To solve for the value of x from this equation, the first thing we need to do is to convert the right hand side to be in fraction for easy cross multiplication. So this one can also be written as 1 over 1, which is the same as 1, right? Now we're going to cross multiply. Then 1 multiplied by x is going to give us x, which is going to be equal to root of 20 minus x multiplied by 1 is the same as root of 20 minus x, because anything multiplied by 1 is the same as that thing. Now the next thing we're going to do is to do away with this square root, and to do that we need to square both sides of the equation. So we need to square the left hand side, then we also square the right hand side, so that this square can eliminate this square root. Then in the left hand side, x to power 2 is the same as what? X squared, which is going to be equal to, remember, this square root have been cancelled by this square, so it will remain only 20 minus x. The next thing we're going to do is to move everything from the right hand side to the left hand side. So when we do that, in the left hand side here, we have x raised to the power of 2. Then when this negative x cross to the other side, it becomes positive x. And when this positive 20 cross to the left hand side, it becomes negative 20. And everything will be equal to 0, because there's nothing left in the right hand side. Now, what do you notice? Look at this equation. X to power 2, x and 20 to the power of 2 to the power of 1, and this is constant. So this is quadratic equation. So we're going to solve this quadratic equation using factorization method. Solving quadratic equation using factorization method is going to be really easy. What we need to do is to use two brackets to multiply itself and equate it to this 0. So we're going to use two brackets multiply by itself, equate it to 0. Then the next thing, what are you going to multiply to give us x squared? We're going to put them here. So when we multiply x multiplied by x, is going to give us x squared. The next thing is to focus on this constant, negative 20. What are the factor of 20? Now when we multiply, it's going to give us negative 20. And when we add together, it's going to give us the coefficient, the middle coefficient, which is 1 here. So 5 and 4 are factors of 20, right? So when we multiply, 5 multiplied by 4 is going to give us 20. But we're looking for negative 20. But focus, remember that you need to add again. That will give us positive 1, which is the middle coefficient here. So we're going to put negative here. Then here is going to be positive. 5 multiplied by negative 4 is negative 20. Then 5 minus 4, 5 plus minus 4 is going to give us positive 1. So these are the two factors we're going to use. Next, we recall that when two terms multiply itself to be equal to 0, it means that the first bracket, x plus 5, is going to be equal to 0, or the second bracket, x minus 4, is going to be equal to 0. So now we need to solve for the value of x here separately, and also we find the second value from here separately. So what do we do here? We just subtract 5 from both sides. X now is going to be negative 5, or x now will be equal to, when we add 5 to both sides, is going to be positive 5. So therefore, negative 5 and positive 4 rather, negative 5 and positive 4 are the two values of x that satisfy this equation. When you substitute these two values to this equation, you are going to see that the left hand side is going to be the same as the right hand side. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also follow this page for more videos like this.